Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can deactivate SOS only on iPhone. But before that, please make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So what you're gonna do is simply gonna go ahead, first of all open up your settings of your app, and then you're gonna go to search bar and type in SOS. You will find the emergency SOS, tap on it. And you can see you will find the call with hold and release. Go ahead, simply turn it off. And the next thing you can see, afterwards you can check your service issues, which is simply optional option if you want to know further and want to do further. Other than that, when you go to emergency SOS, simply go ahead, turn this toggle off, and that will simply be able to do your work. That's it. That's how you can do it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.